Welcome to your guide to the Weekly Lion, your weekly execution discipline. It provides a simple structure to review what happened and establish clear priorities for what comes next. The objective is simple. Don't let the week decide your priorities for you. Decide what matters and execute. The Weekly Lion connects your weekly execution to your bigger plan. Your long-term direction informs your annual priorities, which break down into quarterly goals and your 90-day action plan. The Lion asks, what does that mean for this week? And identifies the highest priority actions to move the plan forward now. Your Lion creates a repeating rhythm: plan, execute, review, learn, adjust, commit, and repeat. This cycle creates clarity, accountability, and consistency. The Weekly Lion is completed on the last day of your business week, before the new week begins. Last week, go back to your priorities and ask, what did I actually achieve? What moved forward? What result did I create? Compare your intentions with your execution. This creates an honest comparison. For ABC Plumbing, completing a follow-up process by Friday created clear ownership for every open estimate. Measure progress against the priority. Next is issues. What challenges or roadblocks came up? Don't treat an issue as something to hide. Issues are information. Ask, what happened? Why? How did we respond? And is it actually resolved? Identifying the root cause lets you deal with the constraint itself rather than the symptoms. ABC Plumbing assigned backup ownership when the office manager was away, resolving their follow-up bottleneck. Surface it, understand it, and address it. Now for opportunities. Every week reveals possibilities to improve, grow, or simplify. Capture these while they're visible. Decide whether they deserve action now, belong in a future plan, or simply need to be remembered. For example, customers asking about maintenance plans could lead to recurring revenue. Capture opportunities while they're visible and decide the next step. Now for next week. This is where reflection becomes execution. Ask, what are the highest priority outcomes for the coming week? Reconnect to your 90-day action plan and choose the few priorities that genuinely deserve your focus. Make your commitments specific. What will be done, what result, and by when. Instead of saying work on sales, say train the office team on the new process by Wednesday. Specificity creates execution. Finally, successes. Business owners are often so focused on the next problem, they fail to recognize progress. Success might be a financial result, a team member stepping up, or evidence that you're becoming a stronger leader. Recognize it. For ABC Plumbing, the dispatcher handling customer escalations without the owner was a major win. Progress counts. Once you've completed your Weekly Lion, don't forget the final step. Click Save. A plan that isn't saved can't support your execution. Success with the Weekly Lion means becoming increasingly intentional. You know what matters. You surface issues early, and you capture opportunities. Run the week. Don't let the week run you. This is how plans become results, one focused week at a time. Plan with clarity. Execute with focus. Review with honesty. Repeat with intention.